Okay.
Hey guys, what's up? New lesson here. I call this one primary forms because we're going to use the primary colors to color in some forms. So we're adding on to what we did. We're starting to use color here. The kids in the class are going to start to use paint. So I'm doing this in crayon for you guys at home. So what did I just say? Primary colors. Okay? There's three. If you don't know what they are, I like to write them like this: red, yellow, and blue. More on them later. First, I'm going to draw three forms real quick. I know, yeah, we did that. I want you to draw them real big. We're going to do a cube, a cylinder, and a cone, okay? I'm going to do this fast, like usual, so you don't get bored out of your mind. Start with a square, in case you missed it. 3 diagonal lines. Okay, that don't touch. Then you don't curve down to meet your lines. You must stay, I'm going to stay equal with this one. Ready? Oh look, I didn't make that one long enough. So that's what you do. Instead of going to meet that and doing a bad angle, you just fix this one. Watch this one. I'm going to come, I'm matching this angle. Oh look, it's not long enough. So again, instead of tilting in, you just fix it that way. Cylinder, ready? I'm going to put a cylinder like this. What the heck? You start with an oval, right? 2 straight lines. 1, 2. And then you got to copy this curve. Ready? And if they don't quite meet, extend it. Cone's an easy one, right? Well, I'm going to make my cone upside down. Why not? Start with an oval. You put your point out here. I'm going to get a ruler to show you if you need to. Make sure you go to the outside edge. Alright. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake. You know why? For this project, we're going to color the background black. Alright, now the only colors that you get to use are red, yellow, and blue. You can't make them by mixing. You either have to have red, yellow, and blue in your tray, or you're doomed. You can't make. Primary means first. Red's only made from red. There's no other colors in it. Blue's made from blue. Yellow's made from yellow. Okay? So, I'm just going to pick one. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to color this in red. Now, I'm just going to do these coloring lightly so this doesn't take a million years. But I would like to see you guys really get some color on the paper. If you have oil pastels, by the way, I would do that with them. It's a little easier with oil pastels. Okay, here comes a blue shape. Why not? You also might notice red, yellow, and blue are the colors that they use for the good guys in superheroes, right? Superman. Spider-Man is red and blue. Wonder Woman, red, yellow, and blue. All the good guys are red, yellow, and blue. All the bad guys are the secondary colors because they're creepy. They're mixed together. The Incredible Hulk, who's kind of a good guy, bad guy, has green pants. Sorry, purple pants and green skin. Then you have the Green Goblin. You have the Joker, who's green and purple. You have the Riddler, who's green. So these colors also have meaning. Whole different topic. You could get wild studying the meaning of colors. Is it because these colors are only made of themselves, that they're pure and honest? So they're the good guy colors? I don't know. Alright, some red. Again, if you have paint, do this with paint. This is really meant to be a paint lesson. Now, because I have red and yellow here, I'm not going to put yellow here. I'm going to put blue here. That's how I'm kind of deciding. I'm alternating, if you haven't figured that out. This is red, so I didn't make that red, okay? I'm trying to create something that's kind of interesting to look at a little bit. All right. And because I have yellow here, I have red here, kind of doesn't matter which one I pick. I'm going to pick yellow. Yellow is the brightest color to your mind. It seems to jump out of the page, so I'm going to do that. Now, if Miss Ava will show down here, I colored in the whole background black, okay? And that's kind of a pain in the neck. I'm gonna show you a painted one real quick. Here's a painted one. It's a lot easier to do with paint, right? Get a nice black background, red, yellow, and blue, very solid. This is like 2 coats of blue, 2 coats of yellow, 2 coats of red, 2 coats of black, okay? If you can get it this way with crayon, that's great. I'm gonna show you a trick you might wanna try at home though. Instead of doing this all black, what if you just cut these shapes out and glued them on a piece of black construction paper? That would be fine. I think that's a smart thing to do. So what am I talking about? Watch real quick. Imagine if you took a minute, cut these out carefully. I don't wanna see sloppy cutting from middle school and high school students. I don't wanna see white paper around these. All right, I'm looking for some control. All right, see, I got some white here. I don't like that white. Okay, so now, you take your Elmer's glue, if you've got glue. You could even, hey, you could use masking tape, Scotch tape, if that's all you got at home. A little bit of glue. What's the problem with that, huh? That looks nice. So you got 2 ways to do it. You could even do the black with watercolors, if you have watercolors, okay? Cheers, this primary forms, okay? That's the name of this project. Good luck.